of the Republic of Kenya, Honourable Cabinet Secretary of Tourism, Wildlife and Heritage, ladies, gentlemen, distinguished guests and captains of industry, welcome to AVIADEV Africa 2023. It's my absolute honour now and delight to invite our first speaker, Honourable Caleb Kozitani, who is the newly appointed board chairperson of Kenya Airports Authority, our host partner, to join us on the stage for some opening remarks. Please welcome Caleb to the stage. Thank you, Honourable.
Good morning, everybody. Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Honorable Riggy Gachagua, popularly known as Riggy G, our Cabinet Secretary for Tourism, Mrs. Balonza, all protocols observed. In the interest of time, as a politician, I would not want to read a speech, I would want to speak. And normally when you see such a crowd as a politician, you want to speak for 1 hour. So I want you to indulge me. If I speak for too long, just start clapping even when I haven't said anything, and I will know that it's time to end. Ladies and gentlemen, John Howell, the CEO and founder of AVIADEV, all chairpersons, board members, CEOs present, delegates, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you to AVIADEV Africa event, which I'm delighted to join this event, which seeks to grow connectivity by ensuring sustained partnership in the aviation industry. On behalf of Kenya Airports Authority and the organizers, I would like to especially thank His Excellency, the Deputy President, for finding time to join us at this very important occasion. I also want to thank all the delegates for your presence here today. The hosting of the AVIADEV Africa is part of our key and deliberate commitment to business growth through enhanced revenues and stakeholder partnership in the aviation industry. During this forum, Kenya Airports Authority seeks to achieve the following objectives: discuss what Kenya has to offer in terms of routes, developments, and potential, support Pan-Africanism and liberation of African skies, and provide a forum for tackling emerging challenges for the aviation sector. Ladies and gentlemen, Kenya Airports Authority is ready to interact with airlines and other partners during this event. We look forward to enlightening, informative, and insightful discussions. It is our sincere hope that the discussions shall strengthen aviation strategies in Africa. As an airport operator, we are excited by the optimistic growth projections for the aviation sector in Africa, and particularly in Kenya. We note that according to IATA, by 2038, and this is very important, by 2038, the Kenyan market will more than double in size, which will result in 11.3 million passengers and over 449,000 jobs created. In that comes also a revenue boost on the GDP of 11.3 billion. So we are on